Boats and floats of angel hair and ice cream dancers in the air and better canyons everywhere. I look at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I look at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and dunes and Ferris wheels, the easy dancing where you feel when every fairy tale comes real. I look at love that way, but now it's just another show. You live in laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I look at love from both sides now, from win and lose and still somehow it's love illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud will say I love you right out loud. Dreams and cheers and circus clown, I look at life that way. But now all friends are acting strange. They shake their head, they say I can't. But something lost, but something's gained in living every day. I look at life from both sides now, from win and lose and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know